Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber if you're new to my channel, and as you can tell by the title, I'm really excited about this video because we are finally giving my mom's guest room in her home a little makeover. And honestly, I haven't done a transform my space video in a really long time. So if you're not familiar with that series on my channel, it's pretty much a series on my channel where I go and transform different spaces among my family, my friends, and even other people hopefully in the future. So we'll see. But today my mom wanted me to help her with transforming her guest room. So it's gonna be a pretty like simple transformation, but still impactful. Like, I honestly feel like with decor and design, sometimes that less is sometimes more, and it's the little things that can make a huge difference in a room. But as you can tell right now, I'm at my mom's house. It's a different background, beautiful home. I love her home. But before we jump into decorating the guest room, I'm gonna show you guys what we got for the guest room, like do a little mini haul. And then I'm just gonna record everything we're doing with the room. So let's get into it. Bubs is here. She's gonna help us out a little bit. She's being so bad, y'all. Excuse me. First of all, what dog do y'all know who's like a complete baby? My dog, okay? Literally a complete baby. Alright guys, so I'm upstairs in my mom's extra room really quick, and I wanted to show you guys like the vibe that we're going for the room. So like I said, it's not gonna be like too much going on, but it's gonna be a moment, okay? It's gonna be like some things happening that weren't happening before. As you guys saw in the before clip, we already have the foundation of the room there. So the bed that's in there is gonna be the bed that will stay in there, as well as the dresser. And then the two nightstands that you guys saw. But we wanted to kind of mix metals a little bit and make it a bit more warm, because I feel like grays and silver can get really like, I don't know, stale and cold. The first thing I want to show you guys are these lamps, and I think they're so pretty. They're this kind of like muted, almost kind of like a muted gold color. And look how pretty that is. Clear glass, but then you can also see the color of the lamp in there. So that's cute, very neutral, just kind of like on point. We also got this wall art. They come in a set of 2, but we got another set so we can have like 3 pictures going across the bed. So we'll put this above the bed, like I said. And I think this is so cute because it incorporates like all the colors and like the vibe that she's going for in her room. So it has like cool tones, but also warm tones as well. And so I think it will do a nice job of like tying and pulling the room all together. And then the bedding is gonna be super warm. So this actually has like warm and cool tones in it. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this is absolutely beautiful. I did like lay it on the bed because I was kind of curious to see what it looked like against the bed frame, and it's beautiful. So I'm really excited to see how that looks. And that's kind of how it looks like in the stock photo, which I thought that was really nice and just kind of like nice and inviting. They also have like the same like lamp vibe too. I never realized that actually. So that's gonna be really pretty. And then we got like a little throw blanket to make it even more warm. We got some oatmeal color panels for the window treatments. And then of course we'll do some fun accents. So we did get this pillow from HomeGoods, and I think this is so pretty. So this is gonna be really nice in the room. And we have some other accent pillows that we may like use or may not use, so that'll be the fun part when we actually decorate the room. And honestly, like, we do have a good base here, but we may need to get some more pieces. We may need to go to At Home to get like some really cute pieces to like pull it together. We may do that today or tomorrow, I don't know, but I feel like the bulk of the room will be done today. So anyway, let's go ahead and change that horrendous light really quick and then put the new light up so we can just see how that's gonna work. And then everything else I feel like it's gonna be super easy. It's just like hanging pictures, hanging curtain rods are just like super easy, and then just like putting the stuff in place. So let's get into it. All right guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the light is up. I'm gonna turn the light off so you guys can see it better. We do need to clean it really quick because we were touching the glass. But how cute is this mount light? So cute. We were struggling a little bit, but that's okay. It's up. So now that the light is up, we can actually start putting stuff in the room and styling the room. And I probably have to run to At Home, like I said in the beginning of the video, just to pick up like some little trinkets for the room, but let's get into it. All right guys, so here is what the pictures are going to look like. I absolutely love them. We already pre-measured the two kind of like points that we can hang the picture already with like this little blue tape pack, except that we only have masking tape, so that's what we're using. But we already kind of have the holes pre-marked there, so we'll just hang them based on the marks. And yeah, wish us luck, because honestly hanging pictures are not my favorite thing to do, but we're gonna get this done, get the curtain rod up, and then yeah, we'll be ready to style the room, which is like the fun part. Where do we go from here? Cause
let's do this one.
Okay guys, so we hung everything in the room, so now I'm at home to get all of the finishing touches. I am looking for mainly like some really just cool like trinkets, vases, I don't know, just cool accent pieces for the room to like bring it all together. So let's do it. Cute little vibe. We have like some greenery or something. I'm really looking for something that just has like some texture. All right guys, it is a lot later. It's about 9 p.m. right now. Went to the store, did some other things too for some upcoming exciting things that you may or may not have already seen on my channel. But went to go grab a couple pieces for the dresser to style that. It's gonna be pretty like minimal and just kind of like just clean, which is what we want in this room. We don't want it to be like overbearing with too much like decor, but just like something to give it like a little pizzazz. So anyway, I'm gonna clean up this entire mess because as you can see, it is messy in here, and then start bringing everything in. My mom is not here right now. She actually just got her hair done and she's on the way home from getting her hair done. Her and my grandma usually get their hair done pretty late on the weekend. And so I am gonna get the room together before she gets home. Have a little throw blanket as well. That is really just gonna tie the look together. Y'all, I can't wait to like, I mean, y'all pretty much have seen this part, but I can't wait till you can really see the entire room. You like it? Ain't it cute? Bubbles, what do you think? You like it? This is nice. All right guys, that is it. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little transform my space video. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.